I read somewhere that these little component testers have a frequency standard on them, and indeed they do. They have an 8 megahertz crystal, and I was able to trace the crystal to these two little vias on the front of the board. So what I'm going to do is attach this little solder this little standoff to the board and put it back in its case, drill some holes in the case, and have a little 8 megahertz sine wave available whenever I want it. So there it is, my own little 8 megahertz frequency standard for whenever I need it.